Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? So this is an emergency update for all Theta Network holder because my brother Theta Network is completely fails down from last 7 days. You can see this time. So it's on the screen. Last 7 days chart change 16.85% fails down. Last 24 hours minus 6.59% fails down. And you can see just in only last 1 hour they take a short jump, but after this, my friend, they very badly fails down now. So let's see, my brother, what's the prediction, what's my prediction, and what's my technical analysis, and what's my opinion. Everything I discussed in this video, but you need to watch this video completely to understand better now and be safe from loss, my brother. So let's see. But kindly holders, the giveaway is also coming soon now, so don't miss the giveaway of my friend Theta Network. Participate, just you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, my brother, this time Theta Network is one of the unique coin. They are in the stable, especially in the previous days. You know why? Because I tell you this, my friends, because I see I'm also holder of Theta Network. So if they fails down like that, then absolutely they take a very huge jump. Now you can see like that, exactly, my brother, like that they take a jump now. So I'm 100% sure to upcoming time they will move upward now, and they will give you a very good profit now. So you need just only you need to hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now at the end of month. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my opinion is that to please hold it.